Hey everyone! It's already cold in Chicago, but we were down south for Thanksgiving and I managed to sneak in one last outdoor practice. We drove the whole way there, and I don't know about you, but sitting in the car for that long can make my neck stiff. I assume I'm not the only one, because there are so many neck pillows out there. Personally, I never found a neck pillow that worked for me, so I do these neck exercises instead. My favorite routine for the neck consists of light pulsation movements, half circles, circles, and figure eight-like movements. It takes very little time. Neck is very important but also very fragile. So doing just a little bit every day will keep it safe and strong. One of my favorite parts in this routine is outlining the hemispheres of my brain. This is supposed to be half circle as if you're outlining your hemisphere, but as I look at myself, I'm doing a little bit more. I felt like I was doing half circles, but apparently my proprioception is lying to me. Proprioception is the feedback from muscles and joints to the brain about the relative position of one's own body parts. Basically, it means that you don't have to look at your own hand to lift it up. My right side has weaker proprioception since my brain tumor, and I'm always working on improving it. As you're doing this routine, don't think about it just as neck exercises. These are the fundamentals of yoga. I try to start every practice with these movements. I find that I get a lot more out of my practice when I go into it with my neck and joints warmed up. And I had a lot of students tell me that they felt the same thing. Of course, I also had a student who told me that she did this routine before going to bed and her neck never felt better. So there's no bad time to do it. This is it for today. Thank you for watching. Practice safely and be healthy.